I've been exploring the Lotto.com lottery app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Lotto.com is a mobile lottery courier app designed for adults who want to buy official state and national lottery tickets like Mega Millions and Powerball from their phone instead of visiting a store. It currently works in a limited set of states, so it is mainly aimed at players in those supported regions who like the convenience of ordering digitally. The core features focus on letting you pick numbers, use quick picks, set up subscriptions so you never miss a draw, and receive automatic notifications when you win. Smaller prizes are credited to your account, and for larger wins, the company arranges an in-person or mailed ticket handoff, which can feel reassuring if you are nervous about high-value wins. The app also supports instant win scratch cards in some areas, plus banking options and responsible gambling tools to help you manage spending. User ratings are generally very positive, with a high average score and most reviews giving top marks, which suggests many people find it smooth and convenient to use. However, it is not without flaws, and some recent reviews mention delayed payouts, less satisfying digital scratch experiences, and slower or less flexible support compared with competitors like Jackpot. A few users also point out that convenience fees and funding limitations can make it feel more expensive or less flexible than buying tickets directly. Overall, Lotto.com is a solid choice if you value the ability to play major lottery games from your phone and appreciate features like subscriptions and win notifications. If you are sensitive to fees, live outside the supported states, or want hands-on customer support and more polished scratch-off play, you may want to read a few recent reviews and compare it with rival apps before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.